Welcome to an introduction to quantum mechanics by Nikola
and Leonardo Walton in 7FL, Dubai College.
You probably know that mechanics is the math concerning motion, but do you know the two subgroups of mechanics? They are called classical mechanics, which describes the motion of objects larger than an atom, and quantum mechanics, which describes the motion of objects smaller than an atom.
Here are 7 essential principles to quantum mechanics. Warning, some technical language ahead. Let the science begin!
1. Particles are waves. In the popular dual slit experiment, electrons were launched through two slits onto a wall. The experiment shocked the science community as the outcome was bizarre. The pattern on the wall showed that atoms behave like waves. It made no sense at all, but it was confirmed multiple times. Therefore, it must be true.
2. Quantum states are discrete. For example, the relative mass of an electron can only be an integer, like 1, 2, or 3, but it cannot be a decimal, like 2.347.
3. Probability is all we know. We can only predict, not be definite about particles. For example, imagine one electron. If someone asks you what is the probability of it being right here, you'll probably say 100%, right? Actually, this is wrong, and it could be two probabilities, like 63% and 37%.
4. Until you measure a particle, nothing is certain. The popular quantum physicist Erwin Schrödinger created a mental experiment that can explain this. He would say, imagine a cat in a box with some gunpowder in. After a timer of 10 seconds counts down, there is a 50% chance of the gunpowder of exploding and a 50% chance of it not exploding. One would assume that the cat is either dead or alive, but actually it's dead and alive in the same time, and until you see it, or measure it as they would say, you don't know.
5. Quantum entanglement is when two particles correspond to each other over any distance.
6. Anything that isn't forbidden will happen. If one particle has an infinite number of ways to travel between point A and point B, it will certainly take every single one of those infinite ways.
And finally, 7. Quantum physics is definitely not magic.
Thank you for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed.